Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your PC and play games with your PS4 controller. So, first of all, open any web browser and in the web address bar type in ps4windows.com and hit enter. And it will take you to this page where you have four options. Click the option in green, which is download now. Then it will redirect you to another page where you'll have to scroll down and choose the option ds4windows.zip. And then the downloading will start. And once it's downloaded, go to your downloads, click on the zip file, then right click on it, then click on extract all. After that, click extract. And now you can see two applications named DS4 Updater and DS4 Windows. Copy both of them. Then go to C drive, create a new folder, name it DS4, and paste those two in here. And once you've done that, select your DS4 Windows and drag it to your taskbar. And just like that, you have a shortcut for your DS4. And now, after that, you'll need a PS4 controller and a cable to connect it. But you could also connect your PS4 controller and your PC with Bluetooth. But I recommend you to connect it with a cable. And once you've connected your controller with a USB cable, go to the DS4 Windows app, open it, and there you have it. You have successfully connected your PS4 to your PC, and now you can play games in your PC with your PS4 controller. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational tips and tricks like these.